Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, let me show you how I got this soft Indian glam look. I start with foundation. Again, please use a foundation that matches your skin tone and absolutely not a lighter shade. Blend it well and don't forget to even it out with your neck. I have used two different shades of foundation and you'll find all the product details in the description box below. It's now time for eyeshadow. I'm using a golden color as the base and a copper brown near the outline and the corners. Now the eyeliner. It's a very personal thing really, so it's totally up to you how you want to wear it. For this particular look, I'm lining both my lids. I'm done with my eye makeup. You may apply mascara if you want to. For my lips, I mix a bright pink and a nude pink lipstick. A cheek color has been used for blush. I also apply the blush on my nose a bit and blend it well. For the highlighter, turn your face to the side, find the highest point of your cheekbone and start applying. Similarly, cover the features you want to highlight. Finally, I line my brows a bit. And I get this. Please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and thank you so much for watching.